The Huachancn titanium cutting board set uses thick food-grade titanium that feels extremely solid, resists warping, and does not absorb odors the way wood or plastic often can. Because the surface is non-porous and dishwasher safe, it is very easy to rinse off in the sink or run through a full wash cycle without worrying about stains or lingering smells. The reversible layout lets you dedicate one side to raw meat and the other to produce, which helps reduce cross-contamination while keeping prep moving quickly. Its main board measures roughly 18 inches by 12 inches, giving plenty of room for chopping while still being manageable to carry by the handle for outdoor cooking or camping. The hard titanium surface stands up well to heavy use with sharp knives, making it suitable not only for slicing and dicing, but also for tasks like pounding cutlets or shaping dough. Overall, this set works as a versatile prep and serving solution, doubling as a sleek charcuterie board that looks at home on the counter or on a buffet table.